Okay, last random video, guys, like for real, but this is a serious one. Um, I just was checking my Facebook and someone posted this link to gossip.com. I will put the the link right, wait, right there. Okay, so when I'm sure y'all read this. It says, an autopsy on Michael Jackson revealed that the king of pop's emaciated body, I said it right, was riddled with needle marks and scars, and his head was virtually bald. It was reported today. Jackson's body had wasted away to a mere 112 pounds, and his stomach was completely empty except for partially dissolved pills, according to the London Sun. Um, let's see if I can go to the next page. Then, of course, it goes on to talk about Evan Chandler talking about how he lied. His dad made him lie on Michael to get money so they're going to be poor. Hold on. Get my iPhone. See that? I can't wait till the end of July where I can start sending pictures, and hopefully soon then I can start doing videos, and then I just can upload straight from my iPhone half the time. Okay. I don't see if it said anything else about Michael's condition. Oh, it doesn't. It just goes on to talk about this sick man who made his child. I don't know how old he was then. Lie about that, but that happens all the time. Like baskets and stuff. It's crazy. People will lie, and when it comes to, molestation, people are likely to believe it, not assume that that person's always guilty, but just it happens so much, and you don't want to say, oh, he didn't do it, because you don't want to play with a child being molested. So that's sad and sick. I don't want to give that any more time. I just wanted to read that to y'all. I mean, God, I can't wait to maybe more detail comes out, because it just talks about, his body being stuck with needles, and he had, having needle marks. Maybe he was diabetic. Hopefully that's what that was. But not having any food in his stomach other than some half digested, half dissolved pills, and not having any hair on his head. That's not that. Well, I guess he was 50. So maybe he was just going bald. But God, from what they said, it seems like he was more sick than what we thought. So my only thing that I really want to know about this Michael Jackson death is I really just want to know really what was going on. And that might sound nosy. It's really concerned, even though the concern is too late. And now with this autopsy result, I just really want to know, exactly what was wrong. I mean, we know we had an issue with his color and as far as being black and all that. We know he was sensitive, but deeper than that, like how sick was he? We knew he wasn't doing that good, but it seems like he was doing way worse than we thought. So, I mean, come on. Even when I go a whole day without eating, I mean, takes food, 24 hours to go through your intestines. So to not have any food in your stomach, not even a piece of bread, cracker, nothing, just undissolved pills, like, dang, what was going on? That's just sad. And then on top of that, this dude comes out before the funeral, before any kind of closure, and saying that he lied. I really think he could have kept that, at least kept it till after all this. Don't come out the day after the man died when the family is still completely, totally grieving, and say, oh yeah, like, to me that was just bad timing too. But anyway, just want to share that with you guys, because I don't know if you had seen that yet. Of course, I'm at home doing nothing. So that's all. If you have any updates, about any more specific details on Michael's autopsy, let me know. Okay, hit me with a comment down there. Be blessed, guys. Deuces. That's my Michael Jackson neck.